You hungry for a real Highland treat out there in TV land? Well, just point the remote at yourself, Woody, and follow me into Butter-Scotchy land.
Butter-Scotchy-Finger-Pies are gooey and they're yummy. When you want a tasty treat, just stuff them in your tummy.
Oh, boy. Now, where are my Butter-Scotchy-Finger-Pies? Last Monday night's munchies. Tuesday night's temptation. Wednesday night. It's Thursday night and I'm all out of Butter-Scotchy-Finger-Pies. What'll I do? Oh, man. Come to Woody.
Welcome to Cash and Dash.
He is Nash.
He is Lash. And that's no trash.
Yeah, I'm Woody. Ring me up.
Heck, that don't rhyme.
I forgot my money.
This is Nash and Lash's Cash and Dash.
Not BB's freebies.
Not Barry and Larry's Take Whatever You Can Carry.
Not everything you see here is yours just 'cause you wanted it. To heck with anybody else, mister.
Lash,
Yeah, Nash?
that didn't rhyme. Coffee's backing up.
Hallelujah! Ha-cha-cha. I can practically taste those Butter-Scotchy-Finger-Pies already.
Hello, Woody.
Ah, the sweet sound of my money.
What is your PIN number?
Oh, keep it up and you're gonna get the old 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3 is incorrect.
Wait, that's not my number.
Your card is being voided.
Ah! All my money is in this bank, and I want some of it now.
I'm afraid I can't do that, Woody.
Incoming! Butter-Scotchy-Finger-Pies, here I come! No! Closed!